Hello बच्चों, in today's video we are going to write English counting from 1 to 100 with the help of our colors. The first color we are going to use is brown color. So without wasting our time, let's start writing counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we have written? Counting from 1 to 10. Next, with purple color, after 10 we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, now 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 kids, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is 40, 40. After that 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 students, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90 is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 is 100. So we have written counting from 1 to 100 in English. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye kids.